In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to Google Calendar. First, open Notion and make sure you're in the workspace where you want the calendar connection to live. Look toward the top corner of the app for your profile icon. Click it to open the profile menu. This is your gateway to all the key controls you'll need for integrations and account preferences, so it's the best place to start. From the profile menu, click on Settings. This opens your Notion settings panel for the current account and workspace. If you work in multiple workspaces, double check the workspace name at the top so you don't set up the connection in the wrong place. If you don't see certain options here, you may need the appropriate permissions from a workspace admin. Inside Settings, find and click on Connections. Connections is Notion's hub for linking outside services, and it's where you'll manage, review, and remove integrations later. It's helpful to remember this location because once your Google Calendar is connected, you can always come back here to adjust or disconnect it. Next, click on Explore. This opens the catalog of available integrations. Explore is essentially Notion's gallery of trusted apps and services that plug directly into your workspace, so you can browse and enable them without hunting down external setup pages. In the Explore view, locate Google Calendar and click it. You'll land on the Google Calendar integration page where you can see what the connection does and any plan requirements. If you already have access in your plan, you may see an option to connect right away. If not, you'll likely see a prompt to begin a trial. Click on Start Free Trial. This initiates the required plan access for the Google Calendar connection in your workspace. Depending on your setup, Notion may now guide you through a quick authorization flow. If prompted, sign into your Google account and allow the necessary permissions so Notion can read your calendars and sync events. These prompts are standard and only grant the level of access needed for the integration to function. When you return to Notion, you should see Google Calendar listed under your active connections. That's your confirmation that everything is linked correctly. If something doesn't appear, refresh the app or revisit the connections page to verify which workspace you're configuring. And that's it. You've connected Notion to Google Calendar using the built-in connections flow. Remember, you can revisit settings and connections at any time to manage or remove this link.